So if you bought a projector such as this one for the TikTok projector window trend, you can also put it on a Disney show and watch it. So I'm at the Disney Parks YouTube channel, and here is their happily ever after fireworks show. So look how cool this looks. This will be super fun to watch. You can also visit my traveling channel and check out full show videos. The easiest way to find them is to just go on this full show playlist. For example, here is a day in the park with Barney full show at Universal Studios. I just muted the volume so it doesn't get copyright. This is probably the best part of the show. It all goes dark, and then Barney jumps out. And here's a Disney Festival of Fantasy parade. Well, anyways, I hope this gave you a fun idea what to do with your projector. I also made this hexagon wall. Looks better with the lights on. And chevron wall using this projector.